Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today I am going to continue fourth chapter of class 11 Business Studies. The name of chapter is Business Services. As in my previous lecture, I have taken a very important topic. What was the difference between goods and services? Now today I am going to continue this chapter. As you are seeing on my whiteboard, I have already mentioned some points. So we can classify the services in three heads. First is business, second is social, and third is personal. So services are of three types: business services, social services, and personal services. Now what is business services? Business services are those services which are required by any business enterprise or business house for running it very smoothly and freely. Like for every business, banking is required. For every businessman, insurance is must. Transportation facility for bringing of raw material in the factory and sending it to the market. Warehousing means go down where he can stock his unsold goods. Communication, how he can deal with the customer, how can he deal by using phone, email, fax, WhatsApp. Now the last is advertising, how he can advertise his goods, what sales promotion technique he will use to make his goods more popular in the society. So it is a very big topic and I will discuss this topic in my next class. Now what are social services? Basically social services are done for the upliftment of the society, especially for the weaker section of the society. Now as you know that population, poverty, illiteracy are become chronic problem of India, and alone government cannot solve it properly. So government is doing its best. Some big business houses or big business concern are also doing charity and giving good donation to the NGOs. And now what are the function of NGO and trust for this social welfare? To provide good education for the poor family, to give them better health opportunities, and understanding them the importance of hygiene and sanitation in life, and improving their standard of living. And the thing is that changing their perception and approaches towards the life, and making them more dependent on themselves by giving them free education. Now the third point that you are seeing on my whiteboard is personal services. Personal services differ from person to person. It depends upon his taste, like, preference and fashion. Someone is interested for tourism. He can be a visitor and he is interested to move from here and there for his good time and for a pleasant time. Basically our tourism industry is run on 3 A's. These 3 A are attraction, accessibility and accommodation. Where these 3 A's meet, there becomes a tourist destination for tourists. Now someone wants to go for a restaurant to enjoy the food and their free time. That is leisure. They want to spend their free time in restaurant. Someone with a different ideology and perception go to cinema for watching the movies. Now I am back to my first services, that is business services. Now the first point is bank. So what is a bank? Basically bank is a financial institution in which normal person or businessman deposits his money, and bank give loan to that person who needs him and charge high rate of interest from him. So students, today we have taken business, social and personal services, and in my next class I will discuss all these subheadings of business services. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.